going on? I'm Christian.
I'm Tanner.
Nice to meet you. What can we help you out with today?
I'm looking for a full interior for my 1970 Volkswagen.
That's awesome. TMI actually started out doing Volkswagen. Actually, the four brothers started in their family garage back in 1982 building Volkswagen interiors. We have OE replacement, and we also have some nice aftermarket modern. All right, so I know you're looking for something a little bit more OE, but this, I want to give you an idea of what, you know, it would look like from a semi-custom standpoint, some of the fit and finish of what TMI can do for you.
But I think I am looking for something a little bit more OEM, like a vinyl basket weave that is on the regular ones.
So you want to restore your Bug back to its factory type, look? Okay.
Sir.
What color is your Bug?
My Bug is orange and cream.
Okay, cool, man. Let's go look at some of our swatches and see what colors work for your Bug.
Sounds good.
So I'm thinking something like this. It's an off-white.
I like that. That would fit pretty well.
And then along with the basket weave that'd be on the front, the same tone but two different materials.
Okay, I like that. That's pretty cool.
So now that we picked out your colors, are you planning on doing the install yourself or bringing it to a shop? Because actually we just started doing installs not too long ago, and so it's kind of like paying homage to when they started back in the day.
That's pretty cool. Yeah, I'd love to be a part of that.
All right, well, let's get it done.
Awesome. Thank you, Christian.
Wow, this came out really good. Tanner's gonna love this. Yeah, fit and finish. Carpet fits nicely. Yeah, Tanner's gonna love this. Came out really good. Hey, come on down to the Design Center at TMI's headquarters here in Corona, California, and get one-on-one help from one of our design specialists, and we'll even install it for you.